Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Hopefully you enjoy the dash cam videos. I haven't done one in a while, but here I am at a light. It turned green, making the turn. I have a rear dash cam, as you see in the lower corner there. And as I come around the corner, you see a car on my side. You see that car move over to the left. And then here we go. You got the white van that wants over. Now you want that little car wants to come over. He was behind me. He was in the correct lane. And now this other car wants to come. It's like, what are you people doing? You know you need to turn right up here. Why do you do this in Monument, Colorado? No, I'm not letting you in. You can sit there all day long. Worst case you do is you go straight through that light and you have to go around the block. I mean, you want to play these games? It's just ridiculous. People need to learn. Yeah, no, we're not just letting you in, but now you're blocking the left lane because you need to get over to the right. Just stupid. Completely stupid. And here we are on I-25 going northbound, heading up to Monument, Colorado. I get over. That guy gets I don't know what's going on there, so we slow down. But they stay on the shoulder. Not sure why they're on the shoulder. Well, they want to get off, but why are they on the shoulder? They don't need to be on the shoulder like that the whole time. There's no reason for that. And of course, most people tend to get off here. So, yep, they're getting off. All three cars here in front are getting off. So it's just amazing. You know, you don't need to be driving on the shoulder, but it doesn't end there. You got that car just swooped on in, you know. That happens every single day. Why don't you learn where your exits are? Use maybe Google. Here I am back east following this tow truck for quite a while. Oh, he almost loses it there. Crazy. Like, stay on the road, people. Man, I kind of wish he would have lost it because he was pretty annoying. I kept thinking he was going to go off at some point. But same trip, and you can see in the lower I have the vehicle following the tow truck. And here comes a white car. He's passing everyone. He's going to pass. Oh, I'm just going to stay over there in the oncoming lane. It's a solid double yellow line coming up. And here he goes. He's going to pass on the double yellow line. You're just going to do it. Why not? I'm in a Prius, man. And a blind hill, too. So, crazy. You're in that big of a hurry? I don't know. Just people nowadays, always about them. You know, they'll put everyone in danger because of them. Again, same trip. Cruising along here. Gotta watch out for those grass clippings after all. And a bicycle in the road. You know, you got grass clippings going on, you got a bicycle. I don't believe bicycles should be on the road. Here we are on I-25 going southbound. This guy is not paying attention, obviously. Probably playing on his phone, hauling a load, you know, scissor lift. Yep, and behind him still. Here comes other traffic. Yep. And here I am behind a red car. You got a car that pulled out. Kind of close, but not that big of a deal. Coming up around a corner, heading towards Monument, Colorado, because this is where the shop is, so I get a lot of footage coming up to Monument, obviously. And they're over there on the right. I don't know what they want to do. You know, it's like kind of weird. That's why I kind of stopped back. I'm like, why did they kind of slow down? What are they doing? They, you know, kind of sat there. I'm like, okay, you know, I'm figuring they probably want in. That's why I didn't just bunch up. You know, you see a lot of videos where people crowd. And I hit the record. That's why the video shook. I saved that video because what a retard. You know, there's more than enough room to get in. Could have just come in, but nah, not going to do that. Oh, yeah, this was a good one. That kid, boom, blows through the stop sign. I was like, okay, save that. That's crazy, you know. And then I make the turn. Kids just pet him. Just pet. He ain't looking. He never looked right or left. Just blows right through that. And then watch this. E-bike kid does wheelie through stop sign. I was just like, wow, I got a 2-for-1 right there. Was not expecting that. Runs the red light. I mean, it's as clear as day. People just don't care. They'll run lights all day long. Here we are going again, I-25 northbound. We got people kind of scooting to the right. I don't know, to see ahead. I don't know what the reason. We weren't going fast. Everyone stopped just fine. But, people seem to like to go to the shoulder for some reason. And a lot of times it's to see around, like, what's going on up there? Hey, let the passenger then can inform. So now we're up ahead. Obviously, traffic on the exit ramp. This day, this van is just, what are they doing? It's one lane. It's one lane to get off, as you can see. And they're sitting over there. Why are they all the way over on the shoulder? Are they broken down? What's going on? Why are you over there? And a blue plate in Colorado, I think that's a blue plate. I'm watching this on a little screen as I do a voiceover. It looks like a blue plate. Is usually a disabled veteran plate, which, I mean, anyone could be driving the vehicle, so that doesn't really matter. But just to kind of give you a little, plate for Colorado. Green is a normal plate. Blue is disabled veteran. And then there's like red, and there's solid black, solid red, solid green now for options. And they just stay there. Don't know why. I guess they think it's a lane. I I don't know. People do this all the time, and it dumbfounds me why they're doing this. Like, yeah, you don't need to be over there. Oh, once again, love the shoulder. So now we get the 2 lanes, and they're gonna kind of crouch to the shoulder. I don't know why. We have a bunch of construction going on, so, it is what it is. It's going to take some time. If you're in a hurry to get somewhere, that's a you problem. Now everyone's going to start using the shoulder, of course. So there they go. They go, on the shoulder, go around. Here's a truck. He's going to use the shoulder to go around. But the thing is, it's not what's back here, it's what's up there. You got people, obviously, in the correct lane that want to get over, like that black minivan and this SUV, and now you got stupid truck that's on the grass, on the shoulder, and that SUV's like, no, he waited in line. Wait in line. It's illegal to pass on the shoulder. I mean, we've all done it, but you also got to think you're doing it so far back. People might be using the lanes correctly. Watch out, be careful. So I'm coming up to a light here. It's red. And watch the motorcycle. So it's now legal in Colorado. We're stopped. This is completely legal, so I have nothing against this. They come up, but this is what gives riders a bad name. They split the lane. Then they kind of pull over there. I don't know what the hand gesture was about or whatever. And then they go right from the left lane. This is what gives riders a bad... You don't know where you're going? Maybe don't be on the road if you have no idea. Or don't lane split. So here's, again, one of my favorite. That car is just sitting way back there. Why is it sitting way back there? I have no idea. This is why I kind of hit record, because it was goofy. It's like, oh, now they pull up. They woke up. They're like, oh, hey, look, oh, I'm going to turn on my... It could have got behind me. But now we're going to change lanes in the middle of the intersection because I needed the right lane versus getting in the correct lane or getting behind me if they made a mistake, and that's why they left the gap. Again, people are stupid. This was a good one at my daughter's school at D20. You got an oncoming car to us. Where the hell are you going? Oh, because it's me. Oh, a Jeep too. Oh, yeah, we're going to go around people because we're more important than everybody else. And so then I, look at the traffic to the left. I put on the rear camera. Tesla doesn't give a shit. He's going to go around. SUV's going to go around. What the fridge? I'm trying to not to cuss much anymore in my videos. So, yeah, geez. Oh, this was a crazy one. So, stop sign. You can see off to the right. There's no one at that stop sign. I mean, I kind of did a quick type stop. This guy throws his hands up, stops. I don't know. He's going to get confrontational. So, and we're just going to end it here with a vehicle doing a U-turn, oncoming vehicles off to the right. Unfortunately, I did not get much stuff after this, but crazy, I tell you.